up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanushree and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and much more. So if you are new to my channel, welcome and please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. So let's move straight to the video. So first of all, as you guys have already seen from the title itself, that this is gonna be a reaction video. So this is my first ever reacting to my comments video. So when I was shooting the vlog, I wasn't very sure that whether people out there will watch it or not, and like I am not very fond of making vlogs, but I wasn't very sure that whether I would make this vlog or not. But then I shot it and then I uploaded it, and I had not a single idea that this vlog will be like get such a huge response, and now we have 10k views on that, and it's still one of the most trending videos I have ever made. And some of the comments, oh my god, I'll tell you. So I also replied two to three comments, and then I realized that there were so many comments and so many people were asking so many things. I decided to make a video where I'll just share what you have asked, where I'll react to your comments, because trust me, going through each and every comments and then replying to them, like, it's not feasible and practical. So here I am and I'm super thrilled to make this video. So without much talking or delaying, let's just move straight to the video. Also, another thing is that I received a lot of comments where people kept on asking me the same thing. So I won't take all of your names and everything. I'll just answer that question. I'll take that single question and that answer you like to all of you. So the first comment is from Cinema Center, and that person has posted मेरा एग्जाम है जेई मेन कल और मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे को रिप्लाई ज़रूर करना. First of all, thanks for the comment. And Cinema Center, I don't know like your original name, so I'm calling you by this. First of all, JEE Mains or JEE Advanced एक बहुत बड़ा और important exam होता है. So if you are someone who is an aspiring engineer, then you should have probably studied. Since you haven't studied anything, I don't know what to do. Probably अभी तक तो आपका exam भी शायद हो चुका होगा. So just let me know how it went, and अभी all the best बोलने का भी कोई मतलब नहीं हो रहा है. So just let me know how it went. Okay, so the next comment is from Parambrata Shah. He has commented, this place is awesome. Yes, this place is amazing, awesome, comfortable, serene, blissful. It's awesome. So, and this place is extremely beautiful. So I don't have any complaints about how this place looks and feels like. So yes, this place is awesome. And thanks for the comment. So the next comment is from Shashwata Mukherjee. I hope that I have pronounced it correctly. So he had commented, wow, it's a lovely place, IIT Gandhinagar. May God bless you, lady, for a nice future. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it means a lot, Shashwata. So I'm very happy that you commented such a beautiful thing on my feed. So yes, you also have a lovely future ahead. Okay, so the next question is from Sunil Gautam 01. Okay, so the next comment is from Sunil Gautam 01. Okay, so Sunil Gautam. Ma'am, actually, I am BTech final year student from IIT DM, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh Mechanical Department. My gate mark is 33.3 and I belong to SC category. Can I get IIT Gandhinagar? So first of all, Sunil, you have to let me know what your GATE score is, and then like I can assume something, because honestly, GATE score is much more important than your GATE marks. So you have to tell me what your GATE score is. This is the number one point. Number two is that in whichever IIT you are aspiring to be in, there is a separate entrance test and interview after you have cleared GATE as well. So GATE is not the ultimatum. GATE makes you eligible to actually apply to different IITs. That is the first ever step. Also NITs. The second step is all the different IITs will float different forms, and you have to be aware of that. You have to fill that. You have to put your GATE score and everything, and they'll just like mail you whether you have been shortlisted or not, and then they will tell you whether they are like conducting a written test or an interview or both. So you just have to qualify them as well in order to get admission to any IIT. So this is the full procedure of what happens after GATE. So it's not that simple or easy. So just based on your get marks and your category, I can't really tell you whether you get into an IIT or not. So you just have to try and you just have to see yourself whether you are being eligible there. So all the best. Okay, केतन कुमार, अगर किसी को सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक पीना हो तो साथ लेकर ही आना. Actually, when I read this comment, it took me some time to understand what you're trying to say, but if I don't know whether I've assumed it correctly or not, then yes, यहाँ पे soft drinks नहीं मिलता है. कैंपस में आपको सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स नहीं मिलेगा, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स अलाउड नहीं है. बाहर से ला सकते हो तो वैसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन ये इस कैंपस में आपको नहीं मिलेगा. सो या साथ लेकर ही आना होता है. इट्स ओके. ओके, Sanyam Maheshwari has posted 2 comments. So he has commented, you eat with left hand. I'm so glad that you have noticed that, because that was a chota editing error which I made in that video. No, I don't eat with my left hand, I eat with my right hand. The video was taken in selfie mode, so it's just my mirror image, and hence you notice that I was eating with my left hand. So the next question is very important, and I have been asked this n number of times in this video, like which department I am, what I am pursuing, what I'm up to. So like, as it's very obvious from the title of the vlog, so yes, I'm pursuing MTech from IIT Gandhinagar, and I'm in the department of biological engineering, period. The next comment is from Sandeep Mukherjee, and this comment has put me in a position I don't know what to say and what to answer. I'll still take up this comment. So he has asked me, there is a saying, all Biharis go to IITs. Can you kindly confirm what percentage of Biharis are in there? So okay, so I'm not really happy with this comment, but I'll still take this. So Sandeep, I'm not over here to see who comes from where, what their background is and whatsoever. I am hearing this statement for the first time, that this is something which I don't know, I haven't heard of this thing like before. So you don't really know, I don't know what this statement means, and I don't really know who comes from where, other than the people I'm interacting with. Also, I don't have any problem with the people and their background and everything. I'm over here to study, make a future out of it if possible, and all the other people are also busy over here pursuing their academic careers and the best they can do out of it. So I don't think anybody over here out there is just sitting and counting who is from where, which people are from which region, then demarcating it. And I don't know, I mean, this question doesn't make any sense to me, and no, I don't really have a saying about this. But and also I felt that this question is a bit derogatory, but I appreciate that you have asked me, so yes, thank you. So the next question is from Harshit Shukla, and he's asking me, is IIT Gandhinagar calling its UG students? Yes, IIT Gandhinagar has called its like almost all the UG students as far as I know. So yes, the college is has called its UG students and PG students as well, and just you have to stay in quarantine, that's it. Okay, so the next question is from Chandrahas Upadhyay. He has asked me a lot of, he has commented a lot of things, in his own comments, sub comments and everything. He has posted ki, hello Di, my dad also job in that college. So hi Chandras, kindly tell me what the name of the faculty is, because I'm not aware of all the faculties in this institute. So I would like to know that, and thank you for your lovely comment. Okay. So another comment is from Shashwat Chaturvedi, and he has commented, which song by the way? Nice OP level of editing though, very motivating. Thank you so much, thank you so much. I'm blessed to receive all such comments. So Shashwat, all the songs are taken from RFM, royalty free music. There's a channel in YouTube out there called RFM. You can go and check out all the songs. So whenever a YouTuber uses any song, so there is a thing called copyright, so your video doesn't get monetized. So when you're using songs, you have to make sure that it's out of the copyright zone. And all the music from RFM are copyright free, so I have used music from there. I hope that answers your question. So the next comment is from Ayush, and he has commented, unfortunately I didn't get selected there for MTech Civil. I'm so sorry to hear that, Ayush. I mean, it's very sad. Please let me know what you're doing now and where you are finally for MTech, if at all you're pursuing higher studies. Okay, the next comment is from Nirbhay Singh, and he has commented, wow, the campus looks cool. Yes, it does. Keep vlogging, and the background sound is amazing. Thank you so much. And yes, you're right, because after this first vlog, I am kind of into vlogging at this point because it's very entertaining. And when I was editing, also, I was kind of like entertaining myself when I was editing, and I really liked the experience, how like of filming the vlog. So yes, I'll keep vlogging, and the background songs are amazing. That's why I chose it. But I don't know whether it went with the with the video or not. But I loved the song and I had to put it. So that's it. Didn't suit, still loved it. Yes, yes, didn't suit. Okay, but yes, thank you. Thank you for pointing that out in such a beautiful way. I appreciate that a lot. See you after 10k soon. So yes, we are here. We are over 10k now, and thank you. Thank you, Nirbhay. So yes. So the next one is from NPTEL Assignment Solutions. She has posted very nice video. Thank you so much. I don't know your name, so I can't take it, but thank you, means a lot. So moving on, the next question is from Pranjit Parasar. Okay. My dream destination, being an instrumentation guy, but could not make into it due to financial limitability. Good luck to you for a very bright life. I'm so sorry, Pranjit, to hear this. But as far as I know, there are a lot of ways to actually apply to such institutes with a special category. And if you like have qualified the national entrance tests and then you have qualified the institutional requirements, you can still like study at this institute or any other such institutes. I think there are certain categories where through which you can avail, but it also depends on how you qualify your entrances. I'm not pretty aware of it, but I guess these things are available. You should go and check this out if you haven't yet. Okay, and I'm so sorry to hear that. This comment has made me really sad. So sorry. Okay, so the next question is very interesting and it's from Shubhashish. Advance इतने hard क्यों होते हैं? I also don't know, man. मुझे नहीं पता एडवांस इतना हार्ड क्यों होता है. मैं पेपर सेट भी नहीं करती, मुझे बस नहीं पता. बस ये पता होता है कि आप जहाँ पे हो मैं भी वहीं पे हूँ, तो नहीं पता कि वो इतना हार्ड होता है. तो ओके, हेमंत दाधिच, I hope I've pronounced your name correctly. I'm so sorry if I didn't. So he has commented, in the whole vlog I have to go to the lab. Okay, I guess the struggle is real. Yes, the struggle is real because I was making a vlog, like I was filming this vlog, and I had certain things in mind how I would film this and everything. Because even when you are shooting a vlog, there are certain things which goes on in your mind, what you will capture, what you will edit, how you will like put it out there. So all those things were going on inside my mind, and the day which I chose to film this vlog, actually picked that day, but then experiments don't work out that way, and whatever you plan or you think that you have planned, it goes into a total waste. So whenever I was filming this video filming the vlog, I had just this one thing in my mind कि कुछ भी करो जल्दी जल्दी करो, lab जाना है, and I think that showed in this video. Yeah, it's funny, I know. So Madhuki Madness has posted, cinematography is gracefully done. Thank you so much. I'm learning and I'm still learning, and I know there are a lot of flaws in that video, but thank you so much for at least acknowledging that I worked hard. Thank you. R7 has commented, Di, aap Bengali ho kya? Yes, I'm Bengali. Absolutely. I'm born and brought up in Kolkata. Okay, so moving on. The next question is from Sharakdeep KVSGG. Okay. mean India made a condition where if you clear JEE, then your life is full of fun and enjoyment. But if you not, then no one will give you importance. Hashtag thanks India. No, it's not like that. I mean, it's all in our own minds. So things don't work out like that in real life. No, it's just how you think. I've met so many people and they're not from IITs, or they don't have any JEE, or they don't have cleared any entrances or anything. So no, this is absolutely something meaningless. No, I mean, thank you for commenting this, but I won't really agree with this question. So Anonymous A has commented, your intro sounds like my morning alarm. Oh, I didn't know that. So Ambuj Yadav has commented, सारे IITians blogger बहुत cool. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Ambuj. Okay. Okay. Rohit Khoska has asked me a very important question. Who does MTech? I did. Many of us are doing. Okay. Do any of the IIT BTech do it? I know a lot of professors who teach, like who have done their BTech, MTech, PhDs from IITs. And if your question is like who pursues MTech at this point, then a lot of people have to do, because all of our life paths and journeys are very different, and all of our life priorities are also very different. I think your life aim, priority are very different from mine, so that's why I'm pursuing MTech. And so I hope that answers the question. Okay, so Yash Pandey has commented, is there a common hostel for both genders in IIT Gandhinagar? No, there is not. There is no common hostels, but the hostels are very like, they give you that liberty, so you can go into any gender's hostels you wish for, so they don't have any problem regarding that or anything. Just take your own responsibility, that's it. So yes, there's no common hostel for both genders. I'm just curious. Yes, I answered that question. So great video though. Thank you so much. Lots of love from Mumbai. Thank you so much, Yash, and that was a wonderful comment. Thank you. The next question is very interesting. So this question is by Ujesh Maurya. Had me at a day in my life at IIT Gandhinagar, lost me at MTech student blog. So this was the comment made by Ujesh, and then there are several other comments which I'm coming to Ujesh. I didn't understand why you have to do this or post this. I don't know what you actually mean by this, because pursuing anything or pursuing any career is absolutely that individual's choice. If you know what choices means, how you want to see yourself over like 3 years down the line or 5 years down the line, you have an aim, right? Like if you have done your BTech from NIT Jaipur, and I'm assuming that you're a pretty bright and great student as well. So I don't think that being a student and being this much educated, you have the right to pull someone down, or to ask someone or put a question mark on any other individuals or anybody else's career choice or decision. So that is their personal, their exclusive. And as much as you have worked hard to get into NIT, I've worked mine off to get into the IIT Gandhinagar. So just chill, relax, and have a little bit of empathy towards your fellow peers and the people who are interested in academics. I mean, just push them, just motivate them so that they can move forward. So Sohit Singh has commented, you are beautiful, Dee. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for this. Nirnimesh Kumar Basak IIT Jammu has commented, awesome video. I'm also MTech student of communications and signal processing at IIT Jammu. Wow, that's great. I have cracked GATE exam in electronics and communication engineering in 2020, and through GATE score I came in IIT Jammu. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of you, and there's also a friend of mine who is at that same institute. I don't know. After watching your videos, now I also want to make this type of video. I'll go to my beautiful college in May and I'm ready to make vlogs. Okay, super. Yes, absolutely. Please show us, because I'm also very curious about IIT Jammu, how it looks, and many of us out there who aren't even aware of the campus and everything. So please just just tell us how everything is out there and just educate us through your videos. I would love to watch that. So yes, these were some of the comments, and I'm so happy and glad that you guys actually posted such things, and the amount of love and appreciation I have received is beyond my expectation, and I didn't expect such a huge response. If you guys have any other questions, you can always comment down and I'll try my best to answer all the questions. So this was it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed and liked the video. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video, and this was super fun and entertaining to shoot. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay safe, have fun and just relax. Okay, so yes, bye.